Dear student, today I shall start first chapter in your politics, that is power sharing. What is the meaning of power sharing? Power sharing means to share the power among the people. It is the meaning of this chapter. In your previous class, you have read about democracy. Democracy is a word it can be divided into two parts, demo plus crazy. The meaning of these two words is demo means rule, crazy means people. In this way, democracy means the rule of the people. You have also read in your 9th class that the President of USA, Abraham Lincoln, has given a definition of democracy. A government of the people, a government of the people, for the people, and by the people. Here, of the people means in a government there are many people who are commonly known as representatives. Representative means those leaders who are elected by the common people of the country are known as representative. So it is clear by the definition of Abraham Lincoln that the governments are generally formed by the elected representative. So it is also clear here that the power of the country is shared among the elected representatives. So, why do generally power is shared among the people in a democracy? Here I would like to give you the example of two countries in the world. The first country is Belgium. Belgium is a country in Europe. It is a small country. Its area is similar to Haryana in your country, and its population is half of Haryana. मतलब कि बेल्जियम एक छोटा सा देश है यूरोप का, एरिया इसका हरियाणा के बराबर है, लेकिन आबादी इसकी हरियाणा की आधी है. Always when you will read about the politics of India, always remind one thing, that is the population. Here we shall talk about Belgium. Belgium is bordered with France, Netherlands, Germany and Luxembourg. These four countries are the neighboring countries of Belgium. Here, note down about the ethnic composition of this country. 59% पॉपुलेशन का 59% लोग डच स्पीकिंग डच भाषा बोलते हैं। फोर्टी परसेंट फ्रेंच स्पीकिंग पीपल हैं। Remaining 1% German. So in this way, the total population of Belgium can be divided in ethnic base as Dutch, French and German. It is also clear that Dutch speaking people are in majority in Belgium. You know that the ethnic problem is a very dangerous problem for a country. Later on we shall also talk about India. The political map of India is quite different than that of European countries, because in European countries the population of the European countries is less than India. So here one important thing also, here I have told you that Dutch speaking people are in majority and French speaking people are minority. But in this country, French speaking people are rich and powerful, although the Dutch are majority, but the rich and more powerful community in Belgium is known as French. When the Constitution of Belgium framed, there was a figure among the class of minority and majority. That is why it was made, and it noticed the ethical group in Belgium. From 1970 to 1993, 1970 to 1993, the Constitution of Belgium was amended 4 times. It was done to give a proper arrangement in which people of both communities would live peacefully. Several steps were taken during the amendment of Constitution. First was, in central government, representatives of both the communities, Dutch and French, was equal in numbers. It was the first rule, first law made by the leaders of Belgium. So thus, there were equal ministers were appointed in Belgium from Dutch and French community. It was the first step. Second, the state government was not subordinate to central government. A number of powers of central government were given to state government. Third, in the capital of Belgium, known as Brussels. There was a separate government, and in this government too, there was equal representation of both the communities. Except it, a community government has also been formed in Belgium, in which representative of all the communities were elected, and these elected members always made rules and regulations for culture, education and languages. Although the model of Belgium was very complicated, but it brought peace and harmony in Belgium. And it became very famous in European countries. When the European Union started to work, they decided to make Brussels as its headquarters. So in this way, I have told you about the Constitution of Belgium. It was made in such a way that the Constitution of Belgium brought peace and harmony easily in Belgium. Now we shall discuss about another country named as Sri Lanka. Sri Lanka is our neighboring country. The political picture of Sri Lanka is quite different than that of Belgium. Sri Lanka became free in 1948, 1 year later than India. In Sri Lanka, the population is divided into 3 groups. Sinhalas, Sinhala, Tamil, and Christian. There are people belong to 3 communities. Here, you know that Sinhalas were 74%. 18% were Tamil. And 7% were Christian. Remaining are 1%. So it also indicates that in Sri Lanka, Sinhalas were in majority. On the basis of majority, the leaders of Sri Lanka framed their constitution in the favor of majority that was known as Sinhalas. They take several steps to show majorities of Sinhalas. For example, in 1956, Sinhala was declared as the national language. Tamil and other language were discarded, and Sinhala language was announced as the national language of Sri Lanka. Not only this, most policies, most laws in the constitution of Sri Lanka favor Sinhalas and discarded Tamils. The government jobs were mostly given to Singalas, and on regarding the religion, the government preferred Buddhism too. So in this way, here I have told you that Sinhala was declared as national language. Rules and regulations acts were also favor the Sinhalas in employment too, and Buddhism was protected by the state. The result was that the Sinhalas, that the Tamils felt that they are discarded, their language, their religion, their occasions, everything was discarded in Sri Lanka. That is why they decided to form a political party and raise their demand towards the government of Sri Lanka. Note down some questions here. Question number 1. Why should power be shared? What do you stand? What do you understand? By community government? Third, mention the power sharing arrangements in Brussels. That's all. Thank you very much for being